I don't know how to spell that name, but the subscribers sent me this lady model engine and the stickers, and actually he sent me a long list of details that he wants me to do on the model engine. So I think it's a whole restoration. See the roof right here needs a new paint and a new sticker. I think we're gonna put a new sticker in the whole model engine. If you see the face, it needs the eyes and eyebrows redone, paint here, a whole restoration. Let's see. One free roll. Sometimes the gears engage when you turn the switch on, sometimes it doesn't engage. Now it's working, but I don't know. Let's find out. By the way, for those who don't know how to open this lady, don't just press here. You gotta pull down this tab and up and pull the shell up. Okay, it looks clean. Now, since this is going to be a full restoration, I will wash and clean the whole thing, all the pieces, and as soon as I get done I will put some grease for the gears and do the touch up. Alright, I will let it soak for a few minutes before I clean it up. Now for the next part, the subscriber disassembled the entire gearbox and he lost the spring, so I'm gonna replace for a new spring, and this is the part you were missing. That's why the model engine always was lacquered on the wheels. At the moment I do not have in stock the rubber tires on these colors, so I'm gonna put these gray colors, so I hope you like it. If not, we gotta wait maybe a month and a half to get them from Hong Kong. Let me explain what happened here. I see that the screw went all the way through the chassis, and the problem is our friend, he tried to make a fix on the model engine and use a long screw. That's the reason it came all to the other side. So I'm gonna find a short one to replace this one, because this is not good. It's gonna pop your battery up and it might come out of the place. Okay, our friend here sent us a long list for the model engine that needs to repair, clean and everything. The only thing I did not paint the wheel cranks, or whatever you call it. Unfortunately, the paint is gonna come off maybe, but I don't think so, but anyways. So I did not paint these little parts. So they still in a gold color and match lady perfectly. So I hope you guys like this video, and I did my best that I could to fix and repair this little lady, this model engine. She looks nice right now. I did not make a really good job on this eyebrow, but at least it's better than before, and it has a clear coat, so it will not come out. See? And I think it's perfect. It's better than before. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.